How to add or change background on Canva mobile app. So first of all, you will have to open the Canva mobile app on your device. So simply you have to open it and log in with your account. So like you can see, I have these pictures on this design. So to change the background from here, you will have to click on this design. Okay, so from here you will got the options like replace. So simply you have to click on this replace option. Okay, so from here you will have to go with the upload section, and here you have to choose the pictures whom you want to add on the background section. So simply I am choosing this picture. Okay, so as you can see, I have changed the background of this design. So likewise, you can also add or change the background of your design on Canva app. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.